And it's 19 January, and I hope you're all doing great. And guys, today I felt under the weather, but still I came here early morning. There was no someone, and it's Sunday, so I have 20 and 25 minutes extra to just spend here. And today, guys, I would like to talk about power of money. Yeah, guys, why did I pick this topic? Uh, Guys, I just went through it. Then it came to me, yeah. Actually, everyone is working for money, and so we. And I know just everyone knows what's the power of money. So why should I just talk about this? But guys, I would like to tell you. I wanna make you realize if you don't have money, then you will have to just suffer from these all things. You will have to go through it. So guys, if you have money, I mean, power of money is you will have a financial freedom and you can go anywhere. So guys, you can see this boy, he came late. And well, I don't know why did you came late today? Why did you came late?
Uh, 30 minutes late.
Guys, he woke up late morning, that's why just he came late. Oh, okay, yeah, it's a child now. He is only 12 years old. So yeah, it's time to just play and sleep. But every day, usually, guys, he comes late. He comes early, and today, unfortunately, he just came late. Financially freedom, yeah, guys. If you have money, then you will have just financially freedom. Whatever you want to do, you can do, guys. And 90% people they are suffering from anxiety due to lack of money, and they are suffering from financially problem, guys. And as per government data, guys, like 60% suicide case just is regarding financially, guys. So you can just guess like yeah, nah, just in our just like society there is one line, money will never just go with you here in heaven. So do just right karma. Yeah, I wanna just go with this line, but still, until you are alive, money will just help you to live a respectful life. And then, guys, you can live a better life. So financial freedom we must have, but how? Guys, you have to just work hard if you want to just be financial free. And then, guys, you can go anywhere and you can do anything. You can just, guys, do, and you can live a luxury life, lavish life. You will not think about just a future and depression, anxiety. And you can explore the world, guys. But if you don't have just money, then to just acquire to a square meal, it will be so difficult, and your entire life will be in just guys tickle to just earn money for my parents and for my children. So that's why just now to get financial freedom, just put your 103% and to just make your life better. And second, guys, I would like to tell you, second, just I'm gonna reveal, guys, like security and stability. Yeah, guys, if you have money, then you will get a better life. Like you will get a secure and stable life. Like if you have money, then you can just purchase like home and like your heart in a post area, and there you can live a better life. If you have money, then you can just go to like a private hospital and private school, and many more things, guys, you can do just if you have money, and it will make your life so easy. But if you don't have money, then your entire life just you can't live. You will have to survive by somehow, and you will feel like my life entire life is burden. But if you have money, then your entire life will be full of delightful and light-hearted. You will feel, and you will feel, yeah, I just got, there should be, and there would have more than 24 hours stability life, and you will get respect, and you can live a, like, guys, inner peace you will have. Like you can spend 4 and 5 hours just to earn money, and as well as you can just do everything. Like if you want to play game, if you want to just spend time your family. If you want to just watch movie and anything, guys, whatever you like to do. If you want to write diary, if you want to just read book, you can do. It's power of money. But if you don't have money, then your whole day will be spent to just acquire to a square meal. Your whole day will be just spent to just put food on the table. So that's why we need money to just give like a security and a stable life. Yeah, guys, if I have money, definitely I'll just hire a family doctor who will treat my mom and dad as a better way, and my mom and dad will get a better treatment. So then I'll just feel proud on myself. And guys, your attitude will be different. Yeah. And you can also have the needy person, guys. But if you don't have money, then you will have to make out just money. And then, guys, you will have to just go to government hospital. And I have gone through it in AIMS, guys, and all just Delhi government and as well as central government. Literally, you will have to spend your entire day in a queue. Even, guys, you just there is no seat to just have a relax, guys. You will have to just walk. You will have to go here and there. Even if you want to just get done any like blood test, x-ray, any test, guys, you will have to wait more than just 1 month, guys. So that's why, if you have money, then you can save your time and you can just live every moment. If you don't have money, then your life will be worst, guys, worst. So just it's value of money. And you can also help the needy person who needs. And you will get blessing from there, and you will feel like inner some different vibe if you help those guy. They don't have money, and just buy money. If you help them, just their life will be little bit like uplift. You definitely, as they will just give you blessing. And guys, next point I would like to just tell you. Hey, if you, yeah, you can note down, but most of things, like you can access the this premium things, guys. Opportunity. Yeah, you will get opportunity, and you can also access the premium things. Even, guys, YouTube, like I hope you all use YouTube 1 and 2 hours, and just it's up to you how long time do you use. So, guys, there is also like premium subscription. If you use, then there wouldn't be advertisement, and these all things will hinder you, like distract you. So it's all about power of money. Like guys, premium membership, premium food, premium location, premium school, premium hospital. Guys, if you have money, then you can access all premium things, and you will have opportunity to just live your life premium, classical life. And if you don't have money, then it would be tough to just access all premium things in your life. And you will have to just live a life like an average and mediocre life, guys. But if you have money, then you can live a life like highest. You can just get at your acme to live a better life. So just take yourself and put yourself and just give target, financially target. Everyone should have, guys. Until you don't have financially target, so how you will just get there, and how you will just access the all stability, security, opportunity, and many more things. So yeah, you should access. And you shouldn't just waste money, guys, and you shouldn't waste time. If you are a student, so time is like best. I mean, time is valuable than money. You should just learn, you should acquire a skill. Your learning will decide your earning. So just keep on learning. And if you are a working person, so keep on also learning, guys. You should update your skill. And if you have any skill, then definitely you can just make like you can tap the way many just like passive income you will get through those all way. and you will have a better life. If you don't learn, and if you just don't give challenge to yourself, definitely no one can help you. And then you will feel like repent on yourself, and you will just accuse yourself, and negative self talk will be started. God, why just I why I was born in this family, and this all stuff. So it's our responsibility. Today my energy level is not high, but still I'm trying to just make out these all points. Guys, I'm just under the weather, and so it's time to just rest my words. And okay, see you tomorrow. So keep on watching and keep on having smiling, keep on having a smile on your face. So thank you till then, bye bye, and thank you for watching. If you're better, I'm in channel Talk and Walk.